Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Elantra key fob. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and ensure you have a new CR2032 battery ready. It's also helpful to work on a clean, flat surface to prevent losing any small parts. Having the right tools makes the process much smoother and quicker for you. Next, carefully examine your key fob to find a small notch or indentation along its side. This is typically located near where the key ring attaches. This notch is your entry point, designed to help you gently separate the two halves of the fob. The seam itself runs all the way around the device. Now, take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into the notch you just located. With a gentle twisting motion, similar to turning a key, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. It's important to use minimal force to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. Take your time with this step. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the circular battery inside. Before removing it, note which way the positive side is facing. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery and insert the new one with the correct orientation. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and snap them firmly back together until it's securely closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.